Oh, what's up, guys and gals? I have been waiting on this box for an entire week because I've been away at work. But I finally stopped down to the UPS store and picked it up. And oh yeah. Diablo i3 tuner. Replacement PCM. Oh yeah, they did a nice job. I like it. All right, so got the i3 tuner and the replacement PCM. And what that means is on my 2018 scatpack, I am going to be placing a tune on it. Now, the reason I'm doing this is, one, I'm ready for a little bit more power. I want to do it safely as possible. I do have a 180-degree thermostat. I've had it in there for quite some time. I did say the next step would probably be tuning it because of that, to get my temperatures right. I have contacted none other than Jay Green about getting my tune. And I told him that I wanted to make, I wanted to make more power, as much power as possible, safely. I want longevity and safety of my engine and car in mind. He said he always writes his tunes with longevity and safety of the vehicle in mind. So that's why I'm going with him, even though he is the more expensive option. Now, a lot of people say I should have went HP tuners. Well, hey, I don't understand exactly how to change all that stuff, and I don't want to be dabbling in it and tear my stuff up. So I went with the i3 tuner from Diablo. And I am going to run a Diablo CAN 93 tune for a week or two and kind of see how that drives and goes. If I don't like it, well, then I'll just throw the factory PCM back in there and run on that, because that's what I've been on and it's been doing great. Anyway, I'm going to install this bad boy. I'm going to do a separate video on installing the PCM and the procedure to get it crunk up, and I'm going to do another video on installing the tune on the car. So this is going to be pretty exciting. It's a lot of money sitting right here. So hopefully I get everything settled in and doing what it's supposed to do. Thanks you guys for watching. This is just a short one on the unboxing of this bad boy. And go ahead and subscribe for more videos. Check out some of my past videos. Hit some thumbs up. Leave me some comments. I just hit 2,000 on YouTube. 2,000 subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you. I try to be as detailed as possible for you for anything that I do. I know I've been slacking on some videos, but I've been pretty busy with life things here lately. But there will be several videos on this right here and more videos to come in the future for stuff. So thank you guys for watching.